My name is Sophia, and today is a very special day. I wake up early in my small town in Spain. I open my eyes and smile because today I go to London. I feel excited and a little nervous. It is my first time traveling alone. I get out of bed, take a shower, and put on comfortable clothes. I pack my last things in my suitcase. A jacket, my passport, my phone, some snacks, and my notebook. My parents take me to the airport in their car. We talk during the ride. They tell me to be brave and careful. When we arrive, they hug me. I say goodbye, take my suitcase, and go inside the airport. I wait in line to check in. When it is my turn, I show my passport and give my suitcase to the worker. Then I walk to security, take off my shoes, and put my bag in a tray. Everything is fine. I find my gate and sit down. I look at the planes outside the window. I feel a little nervous, but I also feel happy. I take a deep breath and listen to music. When the plane arrives, I get on. I sit by the window. I love the view. The plane takes off, and I watch my town get smaller and smaller. Then I see only clouds. They look white and soft. The flight is calm. I read a little, drink water, and look outside. After some time, I see the land again. Soon the plane lands in London. I leave the plane and walk to passport control. The officer smiles and asks, "Why are you here?" I say, "I am here on vacation." He stamps my passport and says, "Welcome to London." I smile and continue. I find my suitcase and walk to the train station inside the airport. I buy a ticket to the city center and wait on the platform. Train arrives. I get on and sit near the window. I see small houses, green grass, and many roads. After some time, tall buildings appear. The train arrives at a big station. I get off and walk outside. The city feels big and busy. Many people walk fast. Cars, buses, and taxis move everywhere. I like the energy. I walk to my hotel. It is small but nice. My room is simple. One bed, a window, a small desk, and a bathroom. I put my suitcase down and rest for a moment. Then I take my coat and go outside. I want to explore. First, I walk to Big Ben. The tall clock tower is beautiful. I take some pictures with my phone. Many tourists are here. Some take selfies, others look at maps. I stand by the river for a moment. The River Thames moves slowly. The water is dark. On the other side, I see the London Eye, a big round wheel. I decide to go there later. I walk along the river. The weather is cloudy and the air is cool. I see red buses and black taxis. People speak many languages. I hear English, French, Chinese, and more. Feel excited. I stop at a small bench and eat a sandwich. I drink water and rest. After my break, I walk to the London Eye. I buy a ticket and wait in line. When it is my turn, I step into a glass cabin. The wheel moves slowly. I look outside. The city gets bigger and bigger. I see bridges, buildings, and parks. The view is beautiful. I take pictures and smile. The ride ends, and I thank the worker. I walk back to the street. Next, I go to Buckingham Palace. It is very big. The walls are white, and the gates are black and gold. I see the guards in red uniforms. They stand very still. Many people take pictures. I stand there and watch. Then I sit on a bench near the palace. I take out my notebook and write about my day. When I finish, I walk to a restaurant. I want to try fish and chips. The plate is big. The fish is crispy, and the potatoes are soft. I put lemon on the fish and taste it. It is delicious. I drink a soda. After dinner, I walk back to my hotel. The street outside my window is busy. People walk, cars drive, lights shine. Feel safe. I sit on the bed and look at my photos. Feel happy. After a while, I take a shower and go to sleep. The next morning, I wake up early. I eat breakfast at the hotel. Coffee, bread, and fruit. Then I go outside. Today I want to visit the British Museum. Take the bus. I sit on the top floor. I see many shops and parks. When I arrive, I walk inside. The entrance is free. Inside, I see objects from many places. I see statues, old tools, and paintings. I love the Egyptian area. I see mummies and old writing on stone. I walk slowly and look at everything. Feels like time stops. After the museum, I go to a small cafe. I order hot chocolate and a cookie. The waiter is friendly. He asks me where I am from. I say, I am from Spain. We talk about travel and food. I enjoy speaking English. I make mistakes, but he understands me. Feel proud. Later, I take a double-decker bus again. I sit by the window and look outside. Starts to rain. I watch the drops hit the glass. The city looks calm. I get off near a park. I walk inside. The trees are tall and green. I sit on a bench and listen to the birds. I breathe the fresh air. Feel relaxed. Then I walk to a famous shopping street. I buy a t-shirt with the words London. I buy postcards and a small keychain shaped like Big Ben. I smile at the little store owner and say thank you. In the afternoon, I go back to the river. I sit and watch the boats. The sky is gray, but I like it. Feel peaceful. I think about my trip. I think about my family. I want them to see this place someday. At night, I eat dinner at a different restaurant. I try a meat pie. It is warm and tasty. After dinner, I walk to my hotel. I pack my things because I leave tomorrow. I feel a little sad, but I also feel grateful. The next morning, I check out of the hotel. I take the train to the airport. I look out the window and say goodbye to London. At the airport, I buy one more souvenir. A small toy bus. My plane takes off. I look outside and watch London get smaller. Feel proud. I travel alone, learn new things, and see many wonderful places. I know I will come back someday.